Yeah, go ahead. So, like, I threw a McChicken wrapper. This is jealous in here. And one of these seagulls are going to carry it off. Let me see what happens again.
First, we do like a piece of bread.
Let's go to the bread.
That works, right?
Yep. Alright, go on, man.
Hold on, switch weight. Hold on.
Yeah, that one got it right there. Oh my god. They're like fighting. They're fighting over it. Oh shit, dude. He's like, it's fucking with my chicken. That's crazy. It's like the king one over there. Oh my shit, dude. The thing, they just fought over your chicken wrapper. Not even the actual chicken. You throw a big ass piece of meat at them, see what they do.
No, I'm not gonna throw a big ass meat. I want it bigger.
He ate that shit immediately. You know, I threw a quarter earlier and they didn't do shit about it. They're just like, oh, fuck it. You gonna throw the fucking receipt?
Yeah. Fuck!
Yeah, it must be the smell. Well, actually, no, he's eating it. He's trying to eat it. What the fuck? Dude. He tried to eat that shit.
That was